least if I die, there'll be footage.
Solid 13 degrees on the landing. I think Ryder Fox full sweep. I'll call it right now.
Whoa!
Kid can't whip.
I'm heading over there. I'm putting sugar in his tank, peanut butter in his gloves.
Told Ryder Fox sweeping both competitions.
Oh yeah, right.
Breaking news.
Your subframe's bent the right way for the left hand.
So, but we got this limbo competition going on over here. Thank you, Michael, for having us. Parker MX, everybody, thank you very much.
Dude, now everybody gets a rebate because of you.
Unreal. You think we're getting low when you literally bend the whole shroud? You just fold that thing right in?
We'll get back out there. You get another chance.
I need this $100 so I can do rad, dude.
You got an interview, right?
Hey, look. You wanna know why he won? Because he went out wide.
Riding it in. He went super wide.
Oh well. First loser. First loser. We hit the old grip on the bar. Fire up the pizza oven. Screw best whip. I'm just gonna go get the fire going.
Right out there, but you're a little tall. Maybe that got you. Yeah, a little too tall for this competition. Hopefully you do a little better at the whip contest. All right, awesome.
All my money's on Ryder Fox. He's my guy. He's gonna be flying the flag for green light.
All right, everybody heard that. He's got the pressure on him.
Dude, did you see me crash? I saw you standing over there. I didn't know what happened. That whip was fucking ungodly, though.
I landed the whip, went like this, because like, holy crap, I just did that, and then whiskey throttled and fell over.
No.
I swear.
Oh
I had
God.
one hand on the bar and fell over.
I thought you were just saluting the crowd. That was
Yeah,
the biggest
just
thing
press.
I've ever done.
Thank you.
Kyle Bushy over here. Kyle is Ryder Fox, everybody. Ryder Fox. Take Kevin Ubrick made it in.
Yeah, I know. I need people with bikes. If you have bikes, come to the next one.
Only 7 bikes out there.
Pumped I got the invite, dude.
Did you have fun though?
Oh, dude, I'm so pumped about the invite. Thanks, Luke.
Oh yeah, man.
Jeez, I almost swore. 5-3. Looks like Ryder Fox is our winner, guys. Nice job, boys. Hey, that was close. Amazing job out there, guys. Kyle, thank you so much.
Had a little transport issue. This thing fell out. Look at that. Go ahead, get some of that flame. Get some of that flame in there. Oh my. This is exciting. This is exciting. Doing it for the boys.
Spring, how you feel? End of the day, little pizza party, just the 3 of us?
When El Dozer's on the oven, we're going to be eating good. It's definitely no soup in the springtime. Oh, we're fucking living another day on our motorcycles. Fucking soup. I mean, nothing's better than springtime with a little soup, right?
And I won't listen to their words, 'cause I like
a whole vibe around here.
I don't care for walking all the people like cows in a herd. Well, I like
Birds.
Play this whole song for the vlog.
The whole
All
thing.
the riding segments.
on a search. I've got a fear for you to perch on.
He knows every word.
Big payday, Ryder.
Did you see the
Payday.
Yeah, apparently. I didn't think we were gonna get it with the crowd vote.
Yeah.
Not one bit.
You're not local. You're not a local.
Need more friends.
Luke got
The
absolutely
bike's fired up, I
zero.
think it's over.
Dude, I was so
Zero.
It's like, well, isn't that what?
$0 today, my man.
Do the lights work? Let's see it.